Emily Mitchell is 17 years old and has excelled in CrossFit and weightlifting. One of Emily's main achievements is becoming British champion in the British Teen CrossFit Championships earlier this year. As well as this, Emily is also the Welsh College's female champion after competing at the College's Wales weightlifting virtual competition. Emily has achieved all of this whilst juggling her education.
Mae Emily Sioia sy'n 4 ar 15 oed yn ferch dalentog iawn sy'n cystadlu ym myd saethu targed. Cafodd Emily ei ddewis i gynrychioli Cymru gan Ffederasiwn Saethu Targed Cymru ym mis Rhagfyr 2019, lle enillodd fedal aur yng ngystadleuaeth pistol awyr 10 metr ar gyfer parau cymysg. Yn ogystal â hyn, daeth yn Pencampwraig sprint targed iau ym mis Gorffennaf 2021 ac eto ym Pencampwriaeth sprint targed Cymru.
Freya is an incredibly talented artistic gymnast who attends Llanelli Gymnastic Club. Freya is 15 years old and has already showcased her talent on a national platform. During COVID, Freya became an all-round Welsh champion on 2 occasions, beating off stiff competition from various clubs in Wales. She also became the apparatus champion, taking home numerous medals. Freya has maintained her place in the elite West Area squad and has also been selected for the Welsh regional squad.